Okay. Well, okay. Okay. It seems that with my talk, I am the bad guy in this story. Anyway, what I would like to react and to remember that the crucial issue on this story, as far as I understand, is a question of power operation and power location and tradition. When I say, for example, that every way we frame things will be wrong, for example, when I say that if we don't put Kosovo in a footnote, or if we don't put Macedonia in a theorem, this means that Serbia or Greece will be upset, as if Kosovo or Macedonia has no right to be upset. Actually, this issue is framed in such a way as to show that from the civic standard, we must put Kosovo in a footnote or Macedonia in a theorem, stupid thing. But this is, the way it is done is according to the civic standard. But what is the outcome of this? We use the civic discourse to produce a very nasty, I would say, national, ethnic or state motivation. And if someone claims the opposite, will be pointed as a nationalist, as an activist or whatever. So the crucial thing is power. Look at the fresco behind me. Everything is power. What is doing this fresco here in an academic aula? We are reminded that we as academics, we must be provocative because of all that and that. But yesterday, our colleague Enika Abazi remind us that we are also located in a power map, and the way how we frame things is power loaded, and this should never be forgotten. Now, to come back to the issue of cultural hybridization and cultural promotion and so on. It is done in a civic discourse as if culture determine everything in our macro-region, let's say. And we forget that what we do with cultural management, cultural heritage, is all about power in people empowerment. The crucial thing on developing or promoting culture is to give people empowerment, to give them cognitive resource to fight for their interest. It is not to give them a new identity. It is not to give them it is to give them opportunities, but opportunities that can be used by them in a very civic standard which led to the development and so on. On the other hand, this, most of the time, is used by different interest groups to empower cultural activism, to promote cultural rights, which is a good thing in civic standard, but may bring us also to what is called cultural fundamentalism, which may bring us to conflict and sometimes in war as well. So, my point is that everything we do is great, but we must be aware of really what we think we are doing, because what we do has many other different meanings which must be taken into account, and this meaning as defined by the power operation and the power location in which we are situated. Thank you.
Please. Thank you.